Hey Crunchified Clean friends, here is how to use my all-natural plant-based tick and mosquito repellent spray. I've been making this spray since 2015 and selling it since 2017, and it is a hit. It is safe for adults, for kids, and even for dogs. And it keeps black-legged deer ticks and mosquitoes away. So it's a 2-in-1 spray that is all natural, made with water, witch hazel, and 5 essential oils that are scientifically proven to keep those pesky bugs away. This is my formula that I created, and this is how I would recommend you using it. Always do a tick check when you come in from being outside first and foremost. So I like to spray around my ankles, the back of my legs, my torso, and around my neck and my arms. I like to spray it under my clothes, but sometimes I'll just spray it right over. Doesn't matter. As long as it's on me, the ticks will smell it and not want to be on me. I've been using it on my kids for almost 10 years, and it works great, and they love it, and they know already to get their tick spray on. Black-legged deer ticks do not die in the winter. They hibernate underneath the foliage so that they could stay warm through the cold months, but they don't die. So anytime from February all the way up to November, December, black-legged deer ticks are out and about, especially in the Pocono Mountains. But you can find black-legged deer ticks in many parts of the country. They're tiny, you don't see them. They live amongst the grass and the foliage, and they can hop on animals, especially dogs. They live on deers, and then they'll go onto a human, and they can bite you and can pass Lyme disease. And that is something you don't want to deal with. With my formulated recipe, you will be able to keep the deer ticks off of you. And many customers use it on their dogs as well. Now, with any kind of spray that you're going to put on your body, I would always recommend do a little patch test first, maybe on your ankle or around your leg, just to make sure you don't have any kind of allergic reaction to the oils. And if you don't, then feel free to spray it on you or your clothes and then wash your clothes like normal. Always do a tick check when you come inside. Check around the folds of your skin, check inside your hair, make sure there are no ticks on you, and always wash your clothes immediately after a hike, and have fun enjoying nature. My tick spray is a must during barbecues, outdoor adventures, soccer, football, baseball, walking a dog, anytime you step outside. And the best part is I also add citronella essential oil into it so that it's a mosquito repellent spray as well. So not only are you keeping the black-legged deer ticks away, you're also keeping mosquitoes away. And it's all natural, all plant-based. I have the ingredients on the label, and I make 2 convenient sizes, a 4-ounce and an 8-ounce. Both of them are easy to just stick in your pocket so you're ready to go out and enjoy nature. Check out my website, plant2palmcreations.com. And if you're local to the Poconos, we can meet up and I can give you a refill discount to refill your current bottle.